Have you ever wondered if our Earth were truly unique in the universe? Learn more about the rare Earth hypothesis in this video. The rare Earth hypothesis suggests that the existence of complex life, such as that which we have on Earth, is extremely rare in the universe. It argues that, although planets may be common, the combination of factors necessary to support complex life forms is highly unlikely to occur. These factors include an ideal position in the galaxy, a stable orbit, protection from cosmic radiation, the presence of a large moon to stabilize the planetary axis, among other elements that together create unique conditions for life. Imagine a distant planet, located in the far reaches of a mysterious galaxy, where the stars shine with incomparable intensity. On this special planet, the winds whisper ancient melodies while the rivers flow in winding courses, creating breathtaking landscapes. Mountains rise majestically, covered in dense forests that are home to a diversity of exotic and colorful creatures. This is the stage where complex life seems to have blossomed in all its grandeur and splendor, defying the odds of the universe. Welcome to this unique and fascinating world. On this distant planet, the circular orbit around its star provided a perfect balance between climatic seasons, creating an environment conducive to the flourishing of life. The tilt of the planetary axis was so precise that temperature variations were masterfully controlled, ensuring the stability necessary for the development of complex and diverse ecosystems. Under the golden light of the sun, each living being played its part in the great symphony of nature, in harmony with the cosmic cycles that govern this unique world. This celestial scene could not have been more perfectly planned, highlighting the rarity and preciousness of this special planet in the vast cosmos. On this distant planet, fortune smiled once again on the life that developed there. A dense and perfectly balanced atmospheric layer acted as a protective shield against the violent solar storms that ravaged the system. This invisible barrier deflected the deadly rays of cosmic radiation, allowing complex life forms to thrive in its splendid landscapes. With each distant stellar explosion, the celestial mantle would glow with exotic colors, while living beings could continue their evolutionary journeys without tragic interruptions. The unique combination of a stable orbit, an ideal position in the galaxy, and this celestial protection transformed this distant world into a veritable oasis among the stars. On this distant planet, fortune once again smiled upon the life that developed there. Protection from cosmic radiation was not just a matter of a physical barrier, but rather of intricate chemical reactions occurring in the upper layers of the atmosphere. Exotic molecules and rare compounds acted as veritable cosmic filters, absorbing and neutralizing the energetic particles emitted by distant stars. This molecular dance in the heavens triggered luminous spectacles of multicolored auroras, reflecting the ongoing battle between life and the hostile universe. The inhabitants of this unique world have come to admire these celestial phenomena as manifestations of the complex web of interactions that made existence possible amidst the stellar chaos. On this distant planet, over the cosmic ages, a giant moon appeared in its orbit, exerting a crucial gravitational influence on ocean tides and climate stability. With its imposing size and synchronized orbit, it acted as a silent guardian, protecting the planet from orbital instability and maintaining a harmonious balance in the solar system. In the silvery light of the moon, nights became magical and enigmatic for the inhabitants of this exotic world. Their legends and mythologies reflected the importance of the lunar presence in their lives, connecting them to the celestial cycles that govern their daily existence. The interaction between the giant moon and the planet offered an unparalleled celestial spectacle, further highlighting the uniqueness of this planetary system in the vast universe. On this distant planet, the majestic mountains revealed ancient secrets carved by time. Deep caves held glowing crystals that emitted magical energy, providing insights to sages seeking to decipher the enigmas of the universe. Lush forests echoed with the songs of mystical birds, whose iridescent feathers reflected the colors of the twin suns hovering on the horizon. Beneath the misty marshes, bioluminescent creatures danced in shimmering choreographies, illuminating the darkness with their otherworldly beauty. Every detail of the geography of this exotic world was a masterpiece of nature, a living testament to the creativity of the cosmos in the process of creating this distant planet. Every cosmic season, an aurora borealis of cosmic proportions lit up the night sky, painting the stars with shades of green and violet that danced in hypnotic patterns. The inhabitants of this exceptional world revered this phenomenon as a portal to dimensions beyond human comprehension, a constant reminder of the vastness of the universe and the smallness of their ephemeral existences. Ancient legends told stories of star spirits who crossed the veil between worlds during these magical moments, bringing wisdom and messages of hope to those who sought answers in the twinkling stars. Each cycle of the aurora borealis was celebrated as a spiritual rebirth, a fleeting connection with the divine that inspired the hearts of living beings to dream of the infinite. On this distant planet, complex life began to manifest itself in surprising and diverse ways. Tiny single-celled organisms slowly evolved over millennia, adapting to extreme environments and developing unique strategies for survival. In the abyssal depths of the crystal-clear oceans, microbial colonies flourished in harmony with bioluminescent starfish, creating dazzling underwater spectacles that echoed the geological history of this unexplored world. As the ages passed, these primitive beings gave rise to more complex forms of marine life, ushering in an unprecedented explosion of biodiversity. Fantastic creatures such as winged meridians and bioluminescent sharks roamed the ancient seas, starring in an epic chapter in the biological evolution of this unique planet. On this distant planet, a peculiar phenomenon aroused the curiosity of cosmic scientists: the bioluminescent flora that covered vast plains and lush forests. Under the twilight of the stars, the leaves of the trees displayed shimmering hues that mesmerized nocturnal observers, revealing a magical symbiosis between plant life and stellar luminescence. Botanists explored these unique ecosystems in search of answers about the strange adaptation, uncovering complex genetic secrets and unusual chemical properties that challenge conventional understandings of Earth's biology. Each moonbeam reflected off bioluminescent plants was a poetic reminder of the transformative power of light to create beauty and mystery in the nocturnal landscapes of this unique world. Finally, as we gaze up at the starry expanse of the night sky of this distant planet, we are reminded of how unique and precious our Earth is. Each brilliant constellation, each distant supernova, echoes the cosmic dance that brought the miracle of life into existence on our little blue dot. The rare Earth hypothesis invites us to reflect on the myriad cosmic variables that have aligned perfectly to allow us to exist and evolve to where we are today. In a seemingly limitless universe, we are witness to a true miracle, a living, breathing world teeming with biodiversity and natural wonders. May we, as we gaze up at the stars, renew our commitment to preserving and protecting this unique Earth, our common home in the cosmos. So, what did you think of this fascinating theory? Leave your comment and share the video. I hope you enjoyed exploring this incredible idea with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content about the universe and its wonders. See you in the next video.